Ayana Woods here, your favorite scientist who cares. And I want to hop on really quickly. This is for all of my makers, okay? So you're making products and you're selling them. And I want to show you why it's very, 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 very important to look at what is actually in these supplies that you're buying and look at the ingredients of them. Here's why. So I'm working on a scar cream, right? Because I just had cosmetic surgery. And I ordered this from Amazon. Arnica oil, right? And it says 100% pure therapeutic grade. 100% pure therapeutic grade is what the label says on the front. But let's flip it over and look at the ingredients. Look at that. Sesame oil. So if I make this product and take it as face value for what they had on this box, and I don't read and I don't properly label my end product, someone who has an allergy to sesame oil could buy my product and have an anaphylactic reaction. Let's think about that. If my product is not properly labeled with the ingredients that's in my product, someone could buy it, be allergic to something that's in it that I didn't really know what was in it, and have a reaction. Okay, so let's all pay attention to the ingredients of our ingredients and properly label our products because we want to keep our customers safe. All right, that's my tidbit for the day. Fancy out.